Has anyone seen my charging cable? Here's one. Here's one. Well, which one is mine? In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to yarn bomb our charging cables. First, make sure you have the right cable. If it doesn't fit your phone, it's not going to do you any good. And here's what you need. I'm using Studio Sampler Yarn by Nicole, the appropriate size crochet hook, the correct charging cable, and what was that other thing? Oh yeah, I forgot. You're going to need some scissors and also a darning needle. Darn it! Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is make a slip knot, just like always. You're going to lay your yarn and your needle down, and then get your charging cable and lay that right on top of the yarn. Pull the yarn through the slip knot and tighten it down. Next, I'm going to hold the tail very close to the cable, and I'm also going to hold the working yarn all in my left hand. I'm going to take my hook, go under the cable, grab a loop of the working yarn, pull it up and over, and then pull the working yarn through both of the loops that are on the hook. So I'll show you that again. Go under, pull up a loop so you have two loops on your hook, and then pull through both of those loops. You'll get the hang of this because you're going to do it about a gajillion times. Under the cable, and pull through the loops. Now the reason I'm holding onto that tail is so I don't have to weave it in later. I'm just going to work my stitches right over it. And after you get a few stitches in, you can go ahead and clip that. You don't have to keep going over it and over it. I'm going to, because I'm a glutton for punishment. It's nice to use a color changing yarn or something sparkly or fun, or maybe your favorite color. Something that you like to look at. I like the color changing. It just gives it like a rainbow effect. At this point, I'm just going to speed things up a little bit. Okay, so here we are at the end. I've snipped my yarn, and I'm going to go ahead and just pull that last bit of working yarn through my last stitch and tighten that up. Now, in hindsight, I should have left that tail just a little bit longer. It would have made weaving through the ends a little bit easier. And I'm going to grab my darning needle. Darn it! I hate darning. I'm going to slip that through all of my, well, not all of my stitches, a few of my stitches. Because it's so short, I'm doing that part first. And then I'm going to attach my yarn and pull through a few stitches just to tie that end down and hide the end. And I'm going to snip that end short, and then I'm done. That's it. Nobody is going to think this is their cable. No one's going to steal my cable ever again. I hope you found that tutorial helpful, and if you think someone else would find it helpful, please feel free to share it, like, and subscribe.